There is always a better way to send responsive email with HTML template using email styler software. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create a professional template for your promotion campaign and email marketing. But in case you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our updates whenever we post a video. Now let's begin. Here is the software. Okay, here is the software, and on the interface we have template. On the menu bar we have template, we have open, we have save, we have export, we have preview. Okay, in case you want to preview the work that you have done so far, so this is where you preview your job. Okay, and on the left hand side we have the library. Okay, on the library we have the blocks. Okay, we have the blocks. The first one is the block here. Then the second one is the image, okay? And the next one is the button, if you want to create button. And the fourth one here, we have the text, if you want to create text. And the last one has to do with the social. If you want to create social like Facebook, X, Instagram, and so on and so forth, okay? Now, if we go back to the blocks, there are so many options that you can find under the block. So if you click here, for instance, you have the headers. Okay, these are the headers. You can scroll down to see all the headers that we have. And if you go check the next option, we have the body 1, then we have 2, we have 3, and we have call to action, and we have special, and we have footer. Okay, this is the footer. So we have different options at the left hand side. Onto the right hand side we have the default. Okay, we have different kind of style here that you can use when you are creating your templates. Okay, there are different styles that you can choose to create your templates. Okay, now if I close this, for instance, you have tutorials. If you still don't understand this video, you can go through the tutorials of this software. They have the tutorials here. So I'm just going to close this now. Okay, once you close this, you can see we have an already made template. Just close this. We have an already made template here that you can edit if you want to. But in my own case, I prefer to always create a different personal template for my business. Okay, I may not be using this template, so I'm just going to delete this one and create a new template. Okay, so but you can see from the default here, the style, there are different styles. I'm just going to select for you to see. Okay, if you click that, it's going to change the style you have already. It's going to change to a different style. Okay, all right, this is a different color. Okay, so that is how you change your style from the options that we have here. You can change to any style. Okay, this is vintage. You click yes to change the style. Okay, all right, this is a different style, so you can just keep on changing your styles depending on what you actually want to achieve. But for me, I prefer creating a fresh template for my business. Okay, so we're just going to be creating a fresh template using this software. So I'll just click on the template at the top. Okay, once I click on the template, do you want to save your work? Or I don't really want to save work. I say no. Okay, I don't want to save anything there. So you can see we have the blank newsletter, the default template, the default image chef template. So I'm going to select the first one, which says blank newsletter. Okay, now we're on a blank page, so I'm going to create the style that I really want for my business from this fresh page. Okay, so we have the header. I'm not going to select from this because I want to use a different style. I want to create my own professional template. So what I'm going to do now, once you click on the blocks, there are different options here. So I'm just going to select the first one. Okay, use, so I can just drag and drop this second one here. Okay, all right. So once you drop this, maybe I want to add a title to it, so I can just go to test here, then click on title. Okay, I'll just drag and drop it here, so I can add a title here. Okay, you must be aware that before you start creating your own template, you must have a content that you have already created that you want to use for this template. Okay, this is my content that I already created, so I will just be copying from here and paste. Okay, so I already have a content, so I'll just go to this subject, the title. I will paste this here. I can decide to change the color if I want to. I can make it to go to the center. Okay, I can align center. Okay, so if I want to change the style of this very template, this HTML template, I can just go to the style area and select the fourth one. This is the default one. Okay, you click yes. Okay, you see the style has actually changed. Okay, so reach more potential customers this season with responsive softwares. Okay, so what I'm going to do here now, I can decide to change this image. So once you click on the image, so all the on the top right, there's this edit image. Okay, so you just click on the edit image here. Now at the edit image for area, you will find this browse image file. Okay, load image from library, and if you want to add text to image, this next one, the last one, is where you add text to an image. So but I'm just going to change this very image to my own image. Okay, so I'll just select an image which I've worked on already, so I'll just select this. Okay, this is the image I already worked on, so I'll click OK. All right, so next you want to change this title to whatever you want it to be. So in my own case, I'm just going to change it to, I already have a content, so I'll just copy whatever, I'll just copy my content, then paste here. Okay, marketing solution. Okay, you can decide to make it dark. Okay, then you can bold this as well. All right, so next you want to change this other content that suits whatever you are creating. So here I'm going to copy this, copy, then select this, paste. Next you want to add a link to it, so that whenever anybody clicks on this, it will take the person either to my website or my YouTube channel. Okay, all right, so let me add my YouTube channel to it. So I will just copy my YouTube channel link. Okay, here, copy, then go back to the main styler. Okay, I want to edit this, so you can just click on this very edit button. Okay, so you add your link here. It's that simple. You add your link here and you click on OK. All right, so whenever anybody clicks on this link, it will take the person to my YouTube channel. All right, on to the next one. I want to add more to it to really showcase what I do, my softwares and all that stuff. So I will click on the blocks again. Now I'm going to use the body, the third one, body 3 column. Okay, so This is what the three column. So I'll just drag this down here, okay, and drop. So you can see I have something beautiful here. You can start editing this very body, okay. So I will just select the first column, okay. Now I'll go back to my content again. So I'll just copy this Gamadin Mela, then I select this and replace it with Gamadin Mela, okay. Then I will go back to my content again, then copy about Gamadin Mela, about the software. Then I'll select this. I don't need it. I'm gonna replace it with the software, about the software. Then I go back to the content again. I have Sky email extractor, okay. This is just for the purpose of this video, okay. So you go back to your content and copy about Sky email extractor, copy, paste. All right, then the third one, go back to your content again, copy HTML email template, paste, go back to the content again, then copy this, select this, then paste, okay. Now if you are done with your template, you can now add footer to it, maybe your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and so on. So let me just add the footer before I will align all this to be okay. So I'll just go to the block again, then from the option you find footer. So I'll scroll down, okay. Let me just go back to the one, okay. Let's say I want to use this footer. I'll select it to the down part again, okay. Once you see the thick line is showing, you know you can paste underneath, so you can paste it there now. Once you release it, you have pasted. To Facebook, you have to go to your Facebook page, click on the edit social set, then you copy your link, all the links on your Facebook link, your X link, your Gmail, your LinkedIn, your Pinterest, your YouTube channel. Let me copy my, you just copy and paste everything here, okay. Then you press OK. So you have done with all that. Now here I want to align this to be on the same line with the other ones, okay. So I will just hit on the enter button. So you can actually leave it at that, or you right click on it. Once you right click, align left, you can align left. Right click on this again, align left, and the last one, align left. Oh sorry, align left. So here you can now preview your work, okay. So this is what we got. When you send an email to anyone or your customers, this is exactly what they are going to get as an email. Okay. So next we're going to export this and save to our computer. Okay. So you just click on the export button, export HTML. You must make sure these two HTML and local resource are selected. Okay. You don't need to select this. The purpose of this video is for this HTML and local resource. So once you select the both, you just click on next. Okay. Then you click on export. I want to save it here now. Digital marketing strategy. Then I'll just save it. All right. So once you click on the link here, it will take you to this very page. This is what your customer will get when you send them an email. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you receive an update whenever we drop a new video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.